But
Yes.
what information?
Well, it happens in a ladies' bathroom, stays in a ladies' bathroom.
Come on.
I've already said too much. I'm so sorry. Oh, shit. It's our song!
Oh, yeah. They always did their best work on the dance floor.
I'm sorry, has anyone seen the Officer of the Year? Wait a second, everybody.